The one sentence in a will that created a probate nightmare. My name is Philip Bruce. I am an estate planning attorney for Stone Arch Law Office here in Minnesota. We were working on a probate, and the will was fairly straightforward. The estate was fairly straightforward. Wills, of course, control probate. They control the court process. A will is a court document. And in this will, it was about a 20-year-old will. Mistake number one, these are court documents. Do not ever have a 20-year-old will. We don't submit 20-year-old court documents. You got to redo these things pretty regularly, every 10 years. Revocable trusts last longer because they don't have to go to court. We're talking about a will here, court document. In the court document, in the will, the person said, to Jane, I leave my truck. Okay? That might have made a lot of sense in the 90s when this thing was created, but this person didn't have that truck anymore when they died. They had another truck. Which truck were they talking about? Were they talking about the truck they had at the time? It didn't specify. Or did they mean any truck, whatever truck I own when I die? Is that what they meant? I don't know. None of us know. Here's another problem. Jane passed away. So did he mean it goes to Jane if Jane survives me? Does it go to Jane or Jane's estate? In which case now Jane needs a probate so that we can decide where her truck's supposed to go, her kids, etc. There's so many ambiguities in this one sentence that there was like 4 different people who could have gotten the truck depending on what they mean. Or maybe the gift was meant to go away. Maybe it's this truck that I have at the drafting of the will, or this gift is gone and the value of my cars that I do have go to these other people. A good lawyer is never going to leave it this ambiguous. They're going to say something to the extent of, to so-and-so, I give my 1998 Chevy Blazer if I own it at the time of my death. If this person has not survived me, this gift will lapse, go away. If I do not own this truck at the time of my death, this gift shall lapse. Or it'll create all these backups. That one sentence is almost never enough. It was absolutely a killer, and it was all it took to take this probate from a very straightforward matter to something which required multiple negotiations and private agreements. So be very careful of that. Any questions, of course, give our office a call or shoot us an email.